Alright, so today I got this weed eater. It says it right there. I don't know if there's anything wrong with it. I got it out of the trash, and I'm just gonna go through and see if I can fix it, if there's anything that needs fixed. I don't see any fuel in it, so I don't know if it's gonna run. The cover off. Maybe it doesn't come off. I'll leave the air filter down there. I'll put some 2-cycle into the carburetor and see if it'll run. Oh, I did way too much, but it'll at least be enough to get it up into the prime bulb and see if it'll start. I'm moving the air filter. Maybe I'll choke it. Maybe I shouldn't have primed it into the, so I might have just pushed it into the fuel tank. Try a little bit. Oh, still a lot. And I suppose I'll check the spark first, if it's not gonna run. Oh. Maybe I'll try putting fuel in it and see if it'll run. It should at least be enough to see if it'll run. Alright, so I got fuel in the prime bulb. Try choking it. So it doesn't want to stay running. Let's see if I can get this spark plug off of here. Kinda looks like a good spark plug. I'll pull the whole thing out and see what it looks like on the other side. Yeah, it's a little filthy. I mean, you're probably not able to see anything. Piston looks, it's dirty, but I'm gonna clean this up and then we'll put it back in there. I'm also gonna check the gap on it, make sure the gap is good. Yeah, so the gap is a little short, so I'm moving it up to 30. It was like really tight all the way down at the 20, so I opened up the gap a little bit. Now we'll put it back in. I'm tightening it, not too tight. Don't want to strip out those threads. Put the coil cover back onto the spark plug, and I guess we'll see if it runs. Prime it. I'm gonna close this up, put this back up here, see if it'll run. It wants to run now. And maybe we do like half choke. I'm also gonna put the air filter back in. That way it's getting the right airflow. It is running very badly. I had the half choke off. Alright, well this seems to run fine. It might have just been that spark plug was all covered in carbon. But I suppose I'll start it one more time and I'll probably clean it a bit because it's got all this stuff all over the exhaust, which is just smoking and it smells awful. Well, I guess that's going to be the end of this video. Runs good. Just needed the spark plug cleaned up. Probably running it with too much oil in it. Built up, stopped working. So they threw it out and probably got another one. Subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.